Welcome everyone. Today we will be discussing the concept of power, authority, and legitimacy. Power is a fundamental aspect of human society and has been a subject of study for centuries. Power can be understood in three dimensions. 1. Power to influence decision-making. 2. Power to set the political agenda. And 3. Power to control people's thoughts. Furthermore, we can categorize power by examining the source of authority, which can be divided into three types: traditional, charisma, and legal rational. In the realm of authority, we can identify two types of legitimacy. 1. Legitimacy based on traditional rules and customs, which is known as traditional authority. And 2. Legitimacy derived from the adherence to laws and formal rules, which is known as legal rational authority. An example of traditional authority can be seen in a hereditary monarchy, where the ruler's legitimacy is derived from long-standing customs and beliefs regarding the royal family's right to rule passed down through generations. In contrast, legal rational authority is exemplified by a democratic government, where leaders gain legitimacy through election processes and adherence to established laws and constitutional principles, rather than inheritance or traditional customs. Let us take a brief look at each of these dimensions of power. Influence and decision-making power are crucial for any society as they shape the direction of policy and societal progress. Power to set the political agenda is essential for political actors to create and implement policies that respond to the needs and desires of the public. A straightforward example of media influence on the political agenda is when news channels extensively cover and emphasize particular topics or events, such as focusing intensely on debates during an election season. This coverage can sway public attention, discussions, and even influence policymakers' priorities. Finally, legitimacy refers to the rightful or justified authority and acceptance of a government, institution, or a set of rules by the people or relevant stakeholders within a society. It involves the belief or perception that the entity holding power or making decisions has the right to do so, based on established norms, laws, or traditions, thereby gaining recognition and support from the populace or those it governs. The peaceful transition of power in a democratic election, where the winning candidate gains legitimacy through the voters' acceptance of the electoral process and laws, exemplifies legitimacy in governance. In conclusion, power is a complex and multifaceted concept with significant implications for society. Understanding the different dimensions of power, the sources of authority, and the challenges to legitimacy is essential for understanding the functioning of political systems and the broader implications of power for our societies.